2. So let's save this as data 2. The reason I'm saving it as, because now what I want to do is I want to accept these values from user. Instead of hard coding 1001, I want user to enter the ID, the name, the title, and the salary. Okay. So in order to do that, I'm going to go above the try block, and I'm going to declare some variables. Like I need a variable for ID, a name, and a title. And I need a variable for the salary. As we learned in Java 1, you need a scanner object to take an input from the prompt. And it comes from java.util package, so you have to organize your imports. Okay, everybody got this far? Okay, what I would like you to do now is, I would like you to comment this one statement, which is execute update. And also this one record successfully done. So after you comment those 2 lines out, I want you to test something. So now when you run your program, and if I enter a value for ID, it goes to the next line and asks me to enter a name. Then it asks for a title. Then it asks for a salary. Do you notice anything different than in the previous versions of Java? I'm not sure if you remember or not, in the previous versions of Java, if a string was followed by another string, the enter key would become the input for the next string in line, so you had to absorb with a blank. Okay, so they took care of that now in 1.8. So that's something I want to show you. Okay, so now let's move on with building the string. So we're going to uncomment this, and now we're going to build our insert statement. What are the names of my variables? ID, name, title, and salary. So ID, name, I'll fix this code, title, and salary. The reason I'm putting it this way now, for now, just so that you see where they should go as a placeholder. But as we know, if we leave it like this, what will happen? The value of ID will be ID, the value of name will be name, the value of title will be title, and salary with arrow. So what we do is, when we have to introduce a variable in the middle of the string, you concatenate. Okay? So this is where you close your double quotes, concatenate, and then you concatenate, start your double quotes. So around each variable, you got to do your concatenation magic. And since salary is of type number, therefore we do not need to have it in quotes. So if you could fit it on 1 line, well and good. I just did it on 2 lines because I could not fit it on 1, and also show you the whole line. So here we have values, ID enclosed in single quotes, name enclosed in single quotes, title enclosed in single quotes, salary not in any quotes. Okay, so now when you run this program, it will ask for an input from the user. The user will provide the input, and say it's one record inserted successfully.